friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video we are going to review a milk powder, which is a special type of milk powder which is made from camel's milk. So guys, this is Amul Camel Milk Powder. So I really didn't know that there was camel milk powder available till I searched on Amazon and found this amazing product here from Amul. So guys, this is Amul Camel Milk Powder, which is a source of natural insulin-like protein. So today we are going to review this product and going to tell you how good this is. So let's get down to the review of the product. So guys, let's look at the packaging of the product. It comes packaged in a nice cardboard box here. Right here we can see the Amul branding. Right on top there's a Amul branding here. Then it says camel milk powder, which is the name of the product. It's a source of natural insulin-like protein, which is good for diabetics, right? Because in diabetics the insulin is like weak, because of which they are not able to manage their blood sugar. So this milk powder or this milk has a protein which is similar to natural insulin. Now moving on to the other side, it's the same thing. Now this pack contains pack of 10 sachets. Now there are 10 individual sachets inside this box. That is what it says. On the other side here, it says that Amul Camel Milk Powder is made from pure camel milk procured from camel herders in the Kutch region of Gujarat. The milk undergoes stringent testing and quality control before being converted to camel milk powder in Amul's modern state-of-the-art plants. Now let's look at the nutritional information here. Every 100 grams gives you 495 kcals of energy, 27 grams of fat, 40 grams of carbohydrates, added sugar is 0, protein is 23. There's no added sugar, contains naturally occurring sugars. Directions for use, very simple to use. Add the entire content of each sachet into 200 ml of lukewarm water and just stir it. Your glass of camel milk, 200 ml camel milk is ready for consumption. Net weight is 250 grams, which contains 10 packets of 25 grams each. Coming to the price of the product is priced at Rs 350, and the shelf life of this product is 8 months from packaging. So the shelf life is 8 months here. Here there is the shelf life given on the side. Coming to the price is mentioned here, Rs 350 for 250 grams. This is 10 sachets. So that is the MRP of this. Yeah, that's all the information available here on the box. So let's go ahead and unbox this. So after we open the box, what do we have inside? So we have 10 individual sachets here of camel milk. As you can see, there are 10 individual sachets that we have here. So this is it. This is an individual sachet of camel milk. It says Amul branding right here, Amul Camel Milk Powder, and it has a camel illustration here. It has camel illustration all over the packet. A source of natural insulin-like protein is given here. It's best before 8 months from packaging. Here's the shelf life written. The same information which was on the box is on this sachet as well. The MRP of the sachet, 25 grams sachet, so it's also available in individual sachets if you go to buy it, and the MRP is Rs 35 per sachet. If you don't want to buy a whole box of 10, you can buy individual sachet and try it out as well at Rs 35 only. So that's a good thing, so that people can try it out first and then go ahead and purchase the whole pack if they like it. So guys, this is the camel milk powder. Let me open it, let me prepare it and show it to you all. So guys, here we are going to quickly make the camel milk, and for that I have a cup of lukewarm water here with me. So you can see this 200 ml of lukewarm water that I have taken in a cup, and to which we are going to add 1 sachet of this Amul Camel Milk Powder. So let's go ahead, cut it open, see how it looks. So this is the camel milk powder, guys. You can see it. This is how it looks. Completely white in color. And we are going to add this camel milk powder to this water, cup of water. And then, so this is how it looks right now, and we are going to stir it, prepare the milk. So you need to stir it well to break all the lumps. It's quite lumpy right now, and we need to stir it well to break all the lumps. So I'm stirring it right now. I need to stir it quite a bit here. Guys, this is the camel milk which is prepared right now, so you can see it here. The camel milk. Like right now, let's go ahead and do a taste test. Very different taste of milk this is. Feel like meaty, more like the bone marrow that you get inside mutton and all. The milk tasting like that. It has a very different taste than cow's milk or buffalo's milk, definitely. It's not bad though. Adding sugar to it will make it taste better, but it has a very different taste than cow's milk and buffalo's milk for sure. So guys, overall I like the product. It has a nice taste, and the pricing is good, which is rupees 35 per pouch. Like I told you all, the taste is quite different, so you all should try it. Definitely try it. It has a lot of health benefits for diabetics, and like it says on the pack itself, it's a source of natural insulin-like protein, which is beneficial for diabetics, because in diabetics the body is not able to control insulin, and hence they have to take tablets. So this is a milk which you all should definitely try if you are a diabetic. So guys, overall I like the product. It's an amazing milk. Guys, if you all are looking to buy this product, you all can buy it from Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.